I'm talking but my lips are not moving, so hopefully this catches your attention enough to keep watching the video. I want to try something different for my channel, so I'm making some artistic old Niko type videos. I'm also sick, so this is just more convenient, honestly. Let me change the lens so you don't have to look at my messy room anymore. Better. I promise I cleaned that room up. Anyways, what is up with the title of this video? Why would I quit gym? As I said, I'm sick, so I've been out of the gym for a week now. I'm still recovering. Honestly, I'm going absolutely crazy and I can't wait to come back. I miss the gym. It's like, man. And yes, the title is a little bit clickbaity, yeah, but stay with me. I got something important to say. It's just partially clickbait. The video is about quitting the gym. I am on 7 days with no gym because I'm sick. So yeah, it's not fully clickbait. Stay with me. Okay, let me ask you a question. When do you plan to quit the gym? Well, I want to work out for 2 years to get jacked and then I'll settle down and relax a little bit so I can enjoy the life as muscular. That was actually a trick question. If you answered anything but I'm going to work out forever, you're wrong. What do you think will happen after you quit working out? Do you think you will keep the muscle? No, you're gonna lose all the muscle. I mean, listen, I know this is logical and so many people know this. There's also so many people that need to hear this because you either don't know it or you just never thought about it in that way. But you can look at this as a goal. You can look at this as a destination where you're gonna come to and then you're gonna quit. You can't, I mean, goals are good, obviously. Setting goals is a good thing, but you can't think of this in a way that you're gonna come to a certain point and then you're gonna enjoy life as a muscular man. This is a lifelong lifestyle. So you can't hold the mentality that you're gonna reach a certain point and then you're gonna stop. You just can't. You're gonna be an old man still going to the gym, being an absolute legend there, and that's the only mentality that you can have. That's the only mentality that works. So the good news is that you will keep going to the gym forever, so that means that you're for sure gonna be jacked one day. Good job, bro. That's all I had to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is something kind of new, so I just have to say the usual outro thing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to watch another one, there is a lot on my channel. If you want to watch one right away, there's 2 videos right on the screen that you can watch if you want to. If you like my content, you can subscribe. That's gonna be a win-win for both of us. And that's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.